Somalis and clan-based tribalism. Clan-based tribalism has long influenced Somali society, just as it has affected other communities around the world. It is a system based on clan affiliations that impact politics, economics, and social life. Effects of tribalism on Somali society. 1. Social relations. Tribalism has shaped social interactions, sometimes leading to divisions, rivalry, and clan-based discrimination. 2. Economy and employment. In many cases, job opportunities and business deals are given based on clan connections rather than merit and qualifications. 3. Governance and politics. Clan-based politics has been a major obstacle to nation building, as many view governments through a tribal lens rather than based on governance quality. 4. Security and stability. Tribalism has played a significant role in fueling internal conflicts, leading to civil wars and political fragmentation. Solutions to clan-based tribalism. 1. Public awareness society must be educated about the dangers of tribalism and encouraged to embrace national unity. 2. Justice and equality. Implementing a fair system where everyone has equal opportunities can reduce tribalism's influence. 3. Education is the key to overcoming tribalism, especially if younger generations are taught the value of unity and coexistence. 4. Strict laws and policies. Governments should enact strong laws against favoritism and clan-based discrimination to promote fairness. Conclusion. Tribalism remains a major challenge that requires deep understanding and long-term solutions. If Somalis prioritize unity, justice, and education, they can overcome clan divisions and build a more prosperous and cohesive society. What do you think? Do you see any other solutions to tribalism?